Imigqa emide ngaphandle kwamahhovisi omnyango wezabasebenzi sekuyinto emihla namalanga njengoba izigidi ngezigidi zabantu sebediliziwe emsebenzini selokhu kwabheduka ubhubhane lwegciwane iCovid-19 ngonyaka odlule. Umfelandawonye wezinyana zabasebenzi iSAFTU uthi lesimo sidinga ukuthi uhulumeni angenelele ngokusheshsha.
The crisis of poverty, unemployment, inequality has simply worsened during the pandemic. Government has a responsibility to its people. We are risking every day an implosion, a civil war, because millions, now 11 million of our people are unemployed, most of them young people. We're calling on the government to put on the table a real and meaningful stimulus package.
Ikhosathi yona ithi ifuna ukuthi umongameli abuyise uhlelo lokusiza abantu asebelahlekelwe imisebenzi iTERS ngokusheshsha bese esheshisa nezinhlelo zokuqasha uquqaba.
In the SONA, we expect government to revive the UIF TERS fund, to revamp the loan guarantee scheme with lower interest rates and easier repayment options, to make it more attractive and affordable for struggling businesses, to provide tax and sectoral relief for heavily burdened companies and sectors, to fast-track implementation of the Economic Recovery and Reconstruction Plan commitments, ramp up local procurement by government, state-owned enterprises, the private sector and consumers. This will provide relief for local producers and help to save and create new jobs.
Ngakolunye uhlangothi inhlangano yosomabhizinisi iBusiness Unity South Africa ithi yona ifuna ukuthi umongameli amamezele izinguquko kwinqubomgomo yezomnotho ezizoheha abatshali izimali ukuze kukhule umnotho kudaleke imisebenzi. Akungabazeki ukuthi kukhulu okulindelwe kwinkulumo kamongameli amasa bekwelangeni. Mbongeni Muchwa, SABC ekholi.